see here is problem. Here how to find the voltage drops across each capacitor. So here 3 capacitors given which are in series. It was connected to a source 20 volts. Now how can you find the voltage drops V1, V2 and V3? So let's assume that this is C1 capacitor and this is C2 capacitor and this is the C3 capacitor. So first of all find the overall capacitance for the given circuit. So that is equivalent capacitance equal to, so here 3 components are in series. So equivalent capacitance equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Now substitute all the capacitance values here. So then we get 1 by 16 plus 1 by 28 plus 1 by 8. By simplifying this, we will get equivalent capacitance equal to 4.48 farads. So here we want the voltage drops, that is V1, V2 and V3. But here the key capacitors are in series, that means the charge is same. So let the charge is Q at each capacitor, that is Q. Now how can you find the charge Q? We know that charge voltage capacitor relations is Q equal to CV. So here we want a charge for the overall circuit. That means Q equal to C equivalent into source voltage. Here we have the C equivalent is 4.48 farads and source voltage is 20 volts. That is 4.48 farad into 20 volts. By simplifying this, we will get overall charge equal to 89.6 coulombs. Now here we want the V1, V2, V3. Now we can easily calculate the voltage drops. So by using this formula, so let at C1 capacitor charge we have Q, that is 89.6 coulombs and capacitance is 16 farads. Now by using this we will get V1 equal to Q by C1. So Q is 18.6 coulombs divided by at capacitor C1. C1 is 16 farad. By simplifying this, we will get V1 equal to 5.6 voltage. So this is the voltage drop across capacitor C1. So similarly find the V2 and V3. So V2 equal to Q by C2. So Q is 18.6 coulombs divided by at capacitor C2. C2 is 28 farad. By simplifying this, we will get V2 equal to 3.2 volts. And this is the voltage drop across C2 capacitor. Similarly, C3, at C3 voltage drop is V3. So V3 equal to Q by C3. So Q is 18.6 coulombs divided by at C3 8 farad. By simplifying this, we will get V3 equal to 11.2 volts. And this is the voltage drop across C3 capacitor. And these are the corresponding voltage drops across C1, C2, C3. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.